Oh, will XRP go, guys? What is happening? What's going on with the XRP price? Where could we see more downside? Where could we see the upside? How do we know where XRP's price is going to go? I'm going to try to give you guys all the information that I have, all the things that I'm looking at in this video as it relates to the price of XRP, because I think there are a lot of people out there thinking, should I wait? Should I hold? Should I wait for the right moment? A lot of this is going to depend on where you're positioning yourself already, where you're positioned in XRP, where you started buying. Is this a long-term hold for you? Or is this a trade, right? So I'm going to give you guys a bunch of different scenarios in this video. I'm going to give you guys a lot of information. So thanks so much for coming back to, I know the last video I just posted, for some reason didn't have any audio, but this one should be good. And we're going to get right into it, guys. So smash that like button, subscribe down below, let the entire XRP army know they need to see this video, because a lot of people are asking this question right now. Where is the price of XRP heading next? And of course, this is not financial advice. We're just trying to make sense of everything in terms of where we are right now. Now, XRP's price is bouncing a little bit here this morning, which is good to see. I'm going to give you guys a lot in this video, so make sure you guys stick around until the end as well, because there's a lot to unpack here, a lot of different scenarios playing out. So what we saw first happen was what they're calling a liquidity sweep. And the XRP price slid downwards to $2 because of this liquidity sweep. We fell below $2.30. And then we saw a decisive move to the downside, down to $2. Then we bounced off of it. It's because a lot of the longs were liquidated on Bitcoin and all the top altcoins, right? So a lot of this was just algorithms triggering sales. It wasn't necessarily people losing trust or losing faith. A lot of this was algorithms selling, okay, based on leveraged positions. But if you're sitting here on the spot market, like I am with XRP, I do a little bit of leverage trading, not a ton. But on the spot market, I was buying at 50 cents. In the bear market, I'm not freaking out here. I'm holding the line. And even my trading indicator hasn't even indicated a momentum down yet. Why? Because we're still kind of hanging in the balance. Like, we're still trying to figure out where the price is going to move. Now, I've got a lot to show you in this video. There's a lot to get into. I think this article really does a phenomenal job of where we are right now. Okay. So currently, where we just were early this morning before I made this video, we were sitting down there at like $2.10. XRP is currently testing critical support levels right here at $2.10. The next significant support levels are located under $2. So meaning, if we can't hold the line at $2.10, our next lines are $184 and $162. Now, the question is, I know a lot of people are wondering it, Zach, should I just wait until we fall further? Well, there's no guarantee. Like, nobody has a crystal ball here. So if you're a long-term accumulator of XRP, like I have been, and I didn't have the position I had right now, and I missed the blow off top to $2.90, I might start to DCA, or dollar cost average, if I have high conviction. Meaning, I'm not going to put all my money in at once, but I'll start to just dabble a little bit here and there each and every day, right? And kind of see where this thing goes. Now, if you're a trader, you might want to wait for the trade. And if the trade doesn't come, then the trade doesn't come, right? If you're a trader, you might be waiting for that 184 or 162. Now, the asset's ability to stabilize or withstand additional downward pressure are going to be determined by 210, 184, and 162. Right now, again, we're above all of these levels at 216. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, okay? Bulls could be able to regroup after this correction we've seen, particularly if XRP stays above the $2.10 level and we see some buying pressure. We're starting to see that a little bit. If we go into the hourly here, it's pretty flat here, but we are starting to see some bulls come in right on this hourly candle. Now, again, if we get into the hourly, we could see some momentum down, momentum up. You could be trading this on the 1 hour very easily, right? That's xtalgo.com. If you guys are interested in that, it's my trading indicator. I'm not really trading XRP right now. I'm accumulating. I was accumulating. I'm just holding the line. I'm just holding my position right now. I think more or less what we're seeing in the market right now is a flush out, right? This isn't, I don't think, something catastrophic. I don't think it's the end of the bull run or anything of the sorts. We know that even in a bull run, there are 20% drawdowns on altcoins. Happens all the time. Completely normal. This was triggered by some negative news around El Salvador. It was also triggered by, like I mentioned earlier in the video, algorithms just selling, long positions getting liquidated. This is what you call testing your endurance, testing your patience as a crypto trader, as a crypto investor, right? Like that. This is what this is. Now, coming back here, if we stay above 210, we could start to see another leg up. Now, if we stay above 210 and hold the line, we are looking at 250 as a very crucial resistance level to the upside. So if and when we start to bounce back up, this is the level to keep an eye on. If we can get back above 250 and break out of this descending channel, this would be the first big indication of a price recovery. As of right now, though, proceed with caution in the short term. In the short term. And this is why I said before, like DCAing is probably your best way to go, depending on where you are. Right now, I've built out my XRP position. If you guys have been, excuse me, watching my channel for a while, take a sip of coffee. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know anytime XRP's price fell below 50 cents or was basically at 50 cents, I was a buyer. And we had that opportunity for years in the bear market. But if you didn't have that opportunity, you didn't act, still okay. If you're looking for your entry, perhaps start to DCA or just be patient and kind of watch this thing play out, right? And sometimes, you know, you've got to just have conviction in the long-term asset, right? So DCAing is the way to go. Now, investors should proceed cautiously with XRP for the time being. It says monitoring both the asset's behavior close to support levels and general market trends. Yes, a lot of this will be dictated by the overall market too. For long-term holders, it might present alluring entry points if the correction gets deeper. The next few days are crucial for XRP's trajectory because a steeper decline could result from failing to defend important support levels. And again, those levels that we're looking at, if we come back up here, are 184 and 162 if we were to break down below 210. Right now, we're staying above it. Now, this particular trader says Ripple's price has found strong support at 223. This would be on the weekly chart. So if we take a look at the weekly, a weekly close above 223 would be a bullish indicator. Okay, and we are coming back up here. Yes, it's been a bad weekly wick here. But if we stay above 223 on the weekly close, that would be another good indication that XRP is in a really good spot. So these are the things you need to know right now with XRP. We saw crypto liquidations reach 1.5 billion in 24 hours. Created a lot of fear in the markets, created a cascading effect downside, and the strong will survive. That's literally what it comes down to. You've got to have conviction in the plays that you're in. XRP right now, bouncing up here in the last hour. Good to see. We're going to be tracking this, guys, very, very carefully. So all week here and all the time, make sure you guys do subscribe, hit that like button. I appreciate you guys for watching.